Welcome to Tisam Mathematics. In this video, we are going to find out if 2 raised to the power 2024 plus 2 raised to the power 2023 plus 2 raised to the power 2022 divisible by 7. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, so first let k be equal to 2 raised to the power 2024 plus 2 raised to the power 2023 plus 2 raised to the power 2022. Okay, now 2022 is common here. Let's try to factorize it. Bring 2 raised to the power 2022. So this is the same as 2 raised to the power 2022 out, and then when you bring 2 raised to the power 2022 out, to be left here with 2 raised to the power 2, so that when you multiply 2 plus 2022 will give you 2024 plus, and here when you pull 2 raised to the power 2022 out, to be left with 2 raised to the power 1 plus, here will be 1. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power 2022 to bracket 2 squared is 4 plus this 2 plus 1, and we have 2 raised to the power 2022 times 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, having this, it follows that 7 is a factor of k. Therefore, 2 raised to the power, so therefore 2 raised to the power 2024 plus 2 raised to the power 2023 plus 2 raised to the power 2022 is divisible by 7. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.